Mangrove Jack's Brewer Series range. As you can see here in front of me, guys, we've got 7 different flavours in the beer, 4 in the New Zealand range and 3 in the Australian range. And we've recently brought out the cider as well. I'm going to talk a little bit about what's inside these, but first I'm going to tell you a little bit about why I like these myself. I'm an all-grain brewer and I have been for years, but when I don't have the time, just like everyone else in their busy lives, I make these kits. I make these kits as is, and I also make them a little bit different as well. You can add boosts, you can add different yeasts, you can add dry hops to it, you can make these all your own, you can share them with your friends. Essentially, you can do with them what you like. Inside, you'll find a pouch of extract, along with a yeast, and specifically with a cider sweetener. So you can make a dry, a semi-dry, or a sweet cider. Quite simply, all you do, guys, is you take these as is, you add your required fermentables and your water, pop it into your fermenter, and within 2 or 3 weeks, you can be having your very own Brewer Series beer. Get down to your local homebrew shop, jump onto the Mangrove Jack's website, have a look for more information, and more importantly, give it a try.